welcome back to part 2 of the series how I've changed my interior. So as I promised, this weekend I'm going to show you the result, but before we get there I've decided to show you what else I've sprayed at the same time. Finally, after 3.5, almost 4 liters of fabric dye, the headline finally looks how I want it. Now the moment that we're waiting, the results of the headliner, and this is how it ended up. And now it's time for the Starlight. What we suggest to do first is point at the number of fiber optics you've got. So if you've got 100, just put 100 points so you know exactly how it's gonna look. And then it's really simple. We just get a needle or something really sharp and tiny, make the holes, then put the fiber optic through. And really depends. I've seen people that they leave a massive length. I've left just a little bit on the other side. So what you do, you just put the glue on top, let it dry, and then after you finish with the whole lot, just cut the inside. This is how it should look from the top. It's not hard to do, it's just time consuming. But if you take your time and just do it and relax, it's amazing. And it's finally done. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, check the rest of my videos, and also check my Facebook and my Instagram page, all down below. Also, don't forget to watch part 1 if you haven't watched it, and see you next time.